Hello, thank you for watching this video from HeartSell. My name is Joe, the Introvert Sales Guy. In 2023, I had the opportunity to serve the financial advisors, to conduct trainings for many of the financial advisors, and I found something very important. Those ultra successful financial advisors, they all have one common trait. And I believe that you can be as successful as them if you see what I see. When you start to look at this career differently, your approach will be different and your results will eventually definitely be different. Before we talk about this common trait, let's look at what is one typical reason people join the financial industry. Money. The industry promises you the amount of money that you can make compared to staying in employment. And of course, time freedom. You are your own boss. But if you are in it just for the money, you won't be able to sustain for a long time. Let me paint you this picture. If we strip the title of financial advisor, what are you? Who are you? Salesman. You're just a salesman. What does a salesman do? Prospect, present, close. Prospect, present, close. And if this is what you're going to do for the rest of your career, I personally find that this is boring. And one day, you will start to question on your career choice. Hey, don't get me wrong, we need money. We need money to maintain our lifestyle, to put food on the table for our family, to keep our spouse quiet, and to be worry-free if we have money. But if money is your only reason, you probably make lots of it, but eventually you grew tired of the method of making money. And what I'm going to share about this common trait allows these ultra successful financial advisors to make money without burning out. They believe that this work is a calling. They believe in helping their clients to get protection. They believe in helping their clients to retire comfortably. They believe in helping their friends and families to avoid financial difficulties in any unforeseen circumstances. And in the process, they gain trust and they make money in a sustainable way. So why do you need to start looking at this work differently? Because the financial industry has changed from 20, 30, 40 years ago. It is no longer the same. In the past, people were not educated about financial planning. People didn't like to receive calls from financial advisors. Well, maybe some still do, but it is improving, right? The financial industry has changed. It has matured. People do understand the importance of financial planning. With the ever-increasing rate of inflation, people worried whether do they have enough to retire. And that's where financial advising comes in play. And healthcare is no longer cheap. The savings of a cancer patient could be wiped out from the treatment. And people understood the importance of protection. People understood all this now. And people are calling the financial advisors now, not the other way around. For example, a parent of a newborn child call their financial advisors friends and get a policy for the new baby. So with the financial market opening up, people being more receptive, what is the question you got to ask? The question is no longer, should I get a policy? The question is, who should I get it from? So if a prospect has 5 other friends who are financial advisors, why must they choose you? If you are a financial advisor watching this, leave in the comments what is so special about you. If you are not a financial advisor watching this video, leave in a comment as well. What kind of financial advisors are you looking for? I like to share this very important tip that can help your business. Okay, this tip will get your prospects to remember you if they ever need financial advice. The tip is called My Share, your presence in your prospect's mind. So the power of My Share will be determined by the number of times you appear in front of your prospects. Of course, with the help of technology, you can do this efficiently, but still connect with your clients, connect with your prospects face to face. This has the highest impact in regards to My Share. Other times, send them an email, text them, ask them how are they, how are things going for them, or post on social media, put yourself in front of them virtually. So increase the frequency of interaction with your prospects to increase your presence in their mind, and you can do business with them for life. I will continue to produce videos and insights about financial industry, about the financial advising work to help you with your business. If you like this video, if you think this video has benefited you, do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you the next time.